Hi, it's Emily here, and here's a really great exercise you can do to work on your adductors. So first, you always want to start with your hamstrings and your quads, and then your adductors. So what we do is we take the ball and we place it directly on top of your pubic bone like this. So my leg is behind me. And you want to just simulate the bone here, and you want to inhale and exhale into the ball. And just stay here. So you can kind of shift your weight front and back and just feel that. As you can see, my left leg is off the floor. And then you're going to do next is you're going to inhale and exhale, and then you're going to bring the ball down your leg. The ball is moving down right in the beginning of my thigh. And you want to press the leg into the ball. My leg is at a 45-degree angle next to me. My left hip isn't dragging like this, it's up. And you want to basically take your leg, front and back, and front, and back, and front, and back. So you can take your hand and you can press your leg into the ball here to kind of feel that. And then you move the ball down your leg, take your leg up, back. So you have the option of kind of bending, straight, bend, and straight. And just stay here. Just feel that. Take your leg front and back, and then front and back. Take the ball down your leg, right before your knee. Press your leg into the ball. And take your hand, you want more pressure. Press your leg down. And then bring the ball down right until it's on top of your knee. And you want to make circles like this. And then going the opposite way. Just stay here. And then gently just come off the ball. Just feel that. Put your legs out in front of you. And you can see my left leg is a little bit longer than my right. So we always do is we create space, we lengthen, and we take impact out of the bone. And if you have any questions or want more information, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.